Someone showed an interest in the roof. The roof is in very good condition, but obviously this has gone a bit matty and dirty, so I'm going to try and do my best in polishing it out. And there is special stuff you can get to proper polish it, but I'm just gonna put it in a presentable manner really. But there is no damage whatsoever on the roof, so I think that Giza will be pretty happy. Let's give it a go. I'm simply gonna use some polish. That's all I've got. Just rub it for as long as you can really, from the inside as well. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but at least it'll be much better than before. What's happening, guys? What's happening is another hurricane, I think. I'm sure you've had enough of the hurricane videos, but I can't help it if they keep fucking happening. Look at this, look at this. It's like monsoon or some shit. Not monsoon because we're in the middle of winter. But it's scary out there, brother. But it's alright. A bit of rain and wind is not a deterrent for us. Because today, we're cleaning up this bad boy. Well, mainly the windscreen. Not the windscreen, the back shield. 1 second. What's up, homies? Another absolutely miserable day outside. Yeah, take a look at this shit. About January the 8th, I think. And we've got this lovely roof. I'm gonna clean it up nicely and try and get rid of it. But the only problem, slight problem, I'll show you. First, it is a must to put some silicone oil in there, because it's been drying up for years and years under the sun, and that's what makes a split like this. This plastic becomes not flexible, dry, making it split. So to revitalize it, you need this silicone spray. See? So, my dear friends, we have WD-40 here, and someone said that WD-40 does wonders in cleaning all this shit up. So let's give it a go. Unfortunately, WD-40 has not worked. I think it's too far gone for it. Tomorrow, I'm gonna try some soda. Because soda is the main cleaning agent of everything. Like toothpaste, I might try some toothpaste. It's got some descaling agents in it. But just WD-40 does not cut it, I'm afraid.
If it does not cut it, stop rubbing it, you fucking dick.
Although you can see it slowly coming off. I'm just thinking maybe I should use a bit of sandpaper. But sandpaper is dangerous because you can scratch it, you can make it. You need some polish then, etc, etc, etc. Fuck it, I think I'm gonna just try soda tomorrow.
Yes, Russian soda is very good for cleaning. Check out in the next episode.